Okay guys, so today I want to show you how I make my acai bowl. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I have been trying to have or make better choices when it comes to my snacks, as I'm really trying my best to lose weight. So I want to show you guys one of the snacks that I really love and is really filling, which is an acai bowl. So to make it, what you will need is your acai pack. I bought this at Target. I think I got the pack at Target. So this is the acai pack, and this is what you're going to need. In addition to that, you're going to need your frozen berries. I'm using just a berry medley from Walmart. Some frozen bananas. This is what I have left from my frozen bananas. And then almond milk as well. And then to garnish it later, I have some coconut flakes and I have some Fit and Active granola. All of this stuff is so affordable. I got it like at Aldi's and at Walmart. But I want to show you guys how I make my acai bowl. So let's go. So to get started, you just want to take your acai pack. I let mine sit out for about 5 minutes just to slightly unthaw. You still want it to be frozen so that it can give you the smoothie consistency. And then, if I can get it out, I'm going to take that pack. And then I'm going to take some frozen berries. I really like the strawberries. So I'm going to take as many of the strawberries that I can at first. And I'm going to throw in the raspberries and stuff like that. If you're not a big raspberry blueberry fan like myself, then just get frozen strawberries. I actually do have a bag of frozen strawberries, but I'm trying something different. I'm trying to incorporate more berries and stuff, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to throw in a couple blueberries. Then I'm going to put in my bananas. This is just frozen banana that I keep on deck for whenever I'm making smoothies. Frozen strawberries from another pack that I have. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of milk. I'm using almond milk, the unsweetened vanilla. You don't want to put too much because you still want it to have like a nice thick consistency. That may not be enough, but I'd rather put in a little and then add more as needed. So then you're going to put that in there. You need a blender. I am using my NutriBullets. And we're gonna blend. So I did forget to show that sometimes, well not sometimes, I do add a little bit of honey because it's not really that sweet. So I add about a good tablespoon of honey to my mixture. I know y'all like, oh, that's not healthy, but it's healthy enough for me because I'm not putting regular sugar, I'm not putting refined sugar, I'm just putting like a tablespoon of honey just to sweeten it up a little bit. And then I'll reblend that. So yeah, don't forget to do that. If you like, it's completely optional. So now I'm gonna just take my mixture. Mine is a little bit, it's not as thick as I typically have it because I was having a little technical difficulty, y'all. So I do that, and then I'm going to line it with just some freshly cut strawberries. The strawberries just make it like extra delicious. And I do like granola, so now I'm gonna just top it with some fresh granola. I'm not a big fan of raisins, but my granola does have raisins in it. You guys can use whatever toppings you like. I've seen people do additional berries, additional berries, bananas. You really can just play with your acai bowls however you like. But I like to put a little bit of granola on mine. And then I take about a handful, not even a handful, I take like a nice little sprinkle of coconut. So that's going to give it that additional sweetness. If you don't want to do the honey, I do like mine just a little bit on the extra sweet side. Top that off with a couple more strawberries because you can never go wrong with strawberries. And this is the bowl. This is my acai bowl. So this is my acai bowl. Really simple, really quick to make. It really honestly takes about 5 minutes to make. I just pre-sliced my strawberries. All my other berries are already frozen. And this is what it is. It is so good. And like I said, you can add honey. I did add a tablespoon of honey. It's optional because you do have the sweetness from the actual berries as well as the coconut flakes if you choose to do this variation. But I hope I gave you guys a nice little idea of a nice, healthy, fulfilling, just healthy snack. So I'm about to eat. Enjoy.